Hi, hello, my dear successful CA intermediate students of May 25 exam. You know what? If you have cleared this May 25 exam, you are amazing. You know why? Because the pass percentage is very low this time for May 25 exam, and in this pass percentage, if you have cleared, great. Like a warrior you fought and you have cleared this May 25 CA intermediate exam. Then what's next? You need to choose the best articleship firm. Why you need to choose the best articleship firm? Because this is the starting point of your career. Usually what happens is that after completion of CA, when you apply for any job, you give your resume. In that resume, you will mention as to where you have completed your articleship, and that adds a weight for the purpose of shortlisting. And you all know that today's competitive environment, so getting a job is so crucial. And before that step, many people will neglect, that is getting a best articleship firm. What is the meaning of best articleship firm? Is it the big fours like PwC, KPMG, Deloitte or EY? Is it only? Not necessary. There are many good firms wherein you can definitely get placed, not necessary that it should be only big four. There are pros and cons for each and everything. Some people will say joining in big four, I will definitely get a good branding, so that tomorrow I can tell that I have done my articleship from this big four. But on the flip side, there is always a disadvantage that people who go for big four will only do the specialization and they will not be able to learn many things. On the other hand, these mid firms or next to big firms are there in India, very good firms like BDO etc. are there. But in these firms, what will happen is that you may not get that much of brand compared with big fours, but the work exposure will be so great that in the technical rounds you will be able to outperform the others. Now, so which firm is best for you and what are the skills that you need to possess in order to get the best articleship firm for you? So we are coming out with Articleship Readiness program. As you know, the THARUN'S launched FinSkills. So this FinSkills is for the purpose of upgrading the students, like professional students of CA, CMA, even graduates. We wanted to offer very good skills in order to excel in the jobs or in the practice or whatever it may be. For that purpose, we have founded this FinSkills initiative of THARUN'S, and we are coming out with the first program, that is Articleship Readiness program. This is for CA intermediate qualified students. What is it we are going to do in this program? We are going to provide the students with three major skills, three pillars. Number one, technical skills. Because nowadays if you see, lot of students will go into the firm and will learn Excel and will learn Tally etc. and all, and wherein it is taking time for the firms also, and they wanted to recruit some students who already possess little bit knowledge about this. For that purpose, what we are doing, because now the articleship period has been reduced from 3 years to 2 years, and little bit of skills if you possess and if you go to the firms, definitely you will be able to excel there. And even firms also prefer that, because they don't have enough time and resources in order to train you in terms of their skills. So the technical skills is the first pillar which we are offering in this Articleship Readiness program. We are going to provide Tally ERP, and that too using the AI. Today AI, how to automate things in Tally. Then Zoho books, because some of the clients of the firms will be using Tally, some of the firms will be using Zoho books. Sir, I did in my ITT already, but that what you have learnt in ITT is definitely not sufficient. So because what you have learnt is just the basics, but today definitely that is not being used, and moreover in ITT you never gave importance to learn this, and now you are going to really learn what is required. And Tally ERP, Zoho books, then advanced Excel. So the complex formulas like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, so pivot tables, etc. Lot of things. And Power BI. So Power BI is the most sought after tool. It is like, the Excel, which goes into the very much advanced stage for presentation data analytic tool, Power BI. Then Gen AI, so including ChatGPT, how to make best use out of it. And ChatGPT alone is not AI. There are many other AI tools, how to exploit the AI tools. So this is what the technical skills we are going to train you for 40 hours. Then compliance and regulatory skills. So you might have studied GST, but you don't know how practically it will be implemented. So how the returns are filed, how a particular transaction can be perceived, in which return. So that basics will be taught. And then income tax return filing along with TDS. Then the tracer, how to extract the things, what is AIS, what is form 26AS, what is form 16. So these basics also will be taught to you. Then next, ROC compliance, because many firms are doing company incorporation work and annual filing work also. So you need to know a little bit about ROC, what are the formalities of the companies and how that will be done. And finally, audit procedure and practice, because when you studied auditing, you just studied theoretically, but practically how it is being implemented and what are the things that you need to do with. So this is your compliance and regulatory skills. Finally, professional and management skills. Having this technical skills and compliance and regulatory skills is not sufficient. You need to know how to communicate, how to speak when there is a group, how to first communicate in English and group discussion, then how to do the drafting. So Microsoft Word itself, but how to do the drafting, how to use the technical jargons and how to use the legal knowledge. And also the networking skills, because in articleship, whatever network that you create, it will definitely help you at the time when you are trying for job, because these people, your seniors, your juniors, your peers, etc., you need to get in touch with them, not only for the purpose of education, they will be helpful, but also after completing CA. So when you are in the job trials, definitely that network will help you. And even how to maintain the relationship with the clients of the CA firms. So all those things. So practice management, time and productivity. Time management is very crucial. Then documentation procedures, negotiation skills, communication skills and etiquette, email, how to draft an email and send, group discussion and interview skills, and finally networking skills. Then the study and articleship balancing strategies, because many students will do articleship and will forget about the studies. CA final is also there, SPOM, A, B, C, D is also there. Now you have to write 4 SPOMs, how to balance all these things. So this is what we are going to cover in this Articleship Readiness program for around 100 hours. 100 hours we are spending for you. Sir, how many days, sir? 15 days. In 15 days we are going to complete. So when the batch starts, the batch commences from 14th of July. 14th of July, save the date. 14th of July is our batch that we are commencing. So 14th of July 2025 our batch commences, and there is a free demo session on 12th of July. Free demo session on 12th of July 2025. So this free demo session you need to attend, and we will be giving you the link for the registration to this free demo session. Either you can attend it online live or face to face in our Anna Nagar campus. This program will be conducted in our Anna Nagar campus. So either you can come face to face and you can attend, or you can attend online live also at your home. But it is mandatory that you should be having desktop or laptop. Mobile, no. Mobile will not be relevant, because we are going to learn a lot of technical skills, and Excel means not that something which is there in YouTube we are going to teach. We are going to give you the assignments. We are going to give you the work which you need to do. So in mobile you cannot do. Definitely you need a laptop or a desktop. If you are attending online live, laptop or desktop. But if you are attending face to face, you need to bring your laptop. Definitely that is required. And you attend the free demo session and then decide whether this Articleship Readiness program is in for you or not. Sir, how much should I spend? Rather than calling it as spending, let's call it as investment. Really it is investment only, because whatever effort that you are going to put in learning this will definitely reap the benefit some way or other. How much is the investment? Just 3000 rupees plus GST. So literally it is like hourly 30 rupees you are spending. So this 100 hours of effort what you are making will definitely be worth it. So this 3000 rupees plus GST, you are going to get a lot of things, which if you see all these things, if you separately go and buy na, so one course, Excel, some 1000 rupees will be there, Power BI, some 1000 rupees will be there, like the 2-3 skills itself you have to spend 3000 rupees easily. And the flip side, we are going to conduct the assessment test, and that assessment test you will be given the marks or a score. Based on that score, definitely you will know what is the reality. It's not just you can come, we will give you the certificate and you go. No, not at all. There is an assessment. You have to write that assessment and your score will be printed on the certificate that we provide. Finally, sir, what is that we get by attending this particular Articleship Readiness program? Number one, after completion of this program, an assessment will be conducted and we will give you a certificate with the score as to how much marks you got in each and every skill. Number two, you will also be given a reference letter from THARUN'S Private Limited that you have underwent the Articleship Readiness program with us, and because of that reason you will get the entry into the firms with which we have listed with. Number three, the interview arrangement and the coordination with the CA firms. We are empaneling lot of CA firms with us. So lot of our past students and lot of our friends and colleagues are into CA practice. So we are just sending your resumes to them. And thereafter, you will also be getting resume preparation tips. How to prepare your resume. And finally, how to build your LinkedIn profile, so that the interviewers will definitely watch all those things. So these are the things which we are going to provide in this Articleship Readiness program. This is what you get. And why you need to choose us? Because we have well qualified professionals who are taking. I am taking GST related and certain personal skills also. Then Surya Manoharan sir, he is a qualified chart accountant, cost accountant, LLB, company secretary, and he has very good rich industry experience. So he will be taking Excel, Power BI. Then Sudarshan sir will be taking audit management and practice, and then time management, documentation, etc., how it is to be done. Then Pavitra ma'am will be taking about Zoho. She is a certified Zoho trainer. So she will be teaching Zoho and other certain personal skills like group discussion and interview skills. Then Pratik sir will take income tax compliance and practice. Then Tofik sir will talk about this practice management, because he has got very good experience in working with firms, etc., and he is a practicing chart accountant too. Next, finally, Ramajem sir. So he has very good abundant experience in Gen AI and Tally. So this great personality has agreed to associate with us for the purpose of giving education to the students, training in skills, AI related skills. And Priya Kannan ma'am, so she will be teaching on the ROC skills, etc. So we have a good, eminent, professional team in order to provide you the best knowledge. What are you waiting for? You have to enroll for this course. Trust me, this is going to create a difference in your articleship. Now sir, when the batch is commencing, as I already told you, 14th July 2025, timings 10 AM to 5 PM, either face to face or online live. And so this particular batch, how to enroll, we will give you the link in the description to this video. You can enroll for this batch, or if you want to attend the free demo session also, you can attend the free demo session and then you can decide. Thank you guys. Please make the best use out of it, and definitely you will not regret You will feel so happy after completing this program and when you're getting placed in the CA firms. Thank you. Signing off. Always willing to serve you.